Today, we're looking at free location tracker tools, apps that help you find devices and stay connected with family or friends. These tools work on Android, iPhone, and across platforms. We'll show you the top free options to help you keep track of what matters most. Let's dive in and see which tools work best for you. Google Find My Device lets you track your Android device's real-time location on a map. You can make your phone ring at full volume, even if it's on silent. Remotely lock your device if it's lost. Erase your device remotely to protect your data. Enable Find My Device in your Android settings. Set it up now so you're ready if you ever lose your phone. Apple Find My tracks iPhones, iPads, Macs, AirPods, and AirTags from one app. Sign in with your Apple ID to see all your devices on a single map. Get real-time location tracking and offline finding, even if your device is off. The app can play a sound, mark as lost, or erase your device remotely. Manage who can see your location in the privacy dashboard. Always review privacy settings and confirm consent for sharing. Life 360 is a free location tracker for Android and iOS. Create a private family circle to share real-time locations with invited members. Features include geofencing alerts, SOS, and driving reports. You control who sees your location and can pause sharing anytime. Glympse lets you share your real-time location with a temporary link. No account needed. Sharing expires automatically after a set time. Recipients view your location in any web browser. No app required. Available on Android and iOS. Glympse is ideal for quick, private, and temporary location sharing. GeoZilla is a location sharing app for families and roommates. Create private circles, share real-time locations, and set up smart alerts. Get notified when someone arrives or leaves set locations. Control who sees your location with privacy settings. Easy setup. Download, invite, and start sharing. Available on Android and iOS. FamiSafe offers real-time location tracking, geofencing, and safety alerts for parents. Set up safe zones and get notified if your child leaves them. Receive driving reports and alerts for risky locations. Works on both Android and iOS. Easy setup. Install, link devices, and customize settings. Where's My Droid is an Android app that helps you recover your lost phone. It can ring your device, even on silent, send GPS coordinates, and accept remote SMS commands. You can trigger a loud ring or get its location by texting a custom attention word. The app lets you take photos remotely with your phone's camera. Stealth mode hides the app icon for extra security. Basic features are free, with paid upgrades available. iSharing lets you share your real-time location with groups and send instant voice messages using the built-in walkie-talkie feature. You can set up place-based alerts, pause location sharing anytime, and control who sees your location. Location history is available only to approved group members. Setup is simple. Invite your group, set preferences, and start sharing. iSharing is free for basic features, with optional paid upgrades. Prey Anti-Theft lets you track and secure multiple devices from one dashboard. It works on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can track device locations, remotely lock or wipe data, and trigger alarms. Activate missing mode to collect evidence like photos and network info if a device is lost or stolen. The free plan tracks up to 3 devices, all managed through a secure web dashboard. Your data is encrypted, and you control when tracking is active. Set up your devices in advance and review privacy settings. Prey Anti-Theft is a practical cross-platform security solution. Last but not least, let's talk about Facebook Messenger's live location feature. This is built right into Messenger and is perfect for quick temporary location sharing. No extra apps required. Whether you're meeting friends in a busy area or want someone to know you're safe on the way home, it's super convenient. To use it, just open a chat, tap the plus icon, and choose Location. You can share your live location for up to 60 minutes, and the other person can see you move in real time. It's easy to stop sharing at any time, so you're always in control. This feature works on both Android and iOS, and it's great for one-off situations where you don't want to set up a permanent tracking app. Plus, your location is only shared with the people in that chat, and you can end it whenever you want. Messenger also gives you privacy reminders and lets you manage who can contact you. As always, use this feature responsibly and only with people you trust. If you want a fast, frictionless way to share your location just for a little while, Messenger's live location is a solid choice. Just remember, consent and privacy come first. All right, that's a wrap on the top 10 free location tracker tools you need to know about. We've covered everything from built-in device finders on Android and iPhone, to cross-platform family safety apps, to quick, privacy-friendly sharing solutions like Glympse and Messenger. There's something here for every situation. Whether you're keeping your devices safe, looking out for family, or just making meetups easier. But let's be crystal clear. Tracking someone's location is a serious responsibility. Always get consent before using any of these tools to share or view someone's location. Respecting privacy and boundaries is just as important as the tech itself. And don't forget, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and regular app updates are your best defense against unwanted access. These tools are meant for safety, not surveillance. Use them to protect what matters most, but never cross the line into invading someone's privacy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity awareness, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.